Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Nissan Murano and I will show you which fuses to check in case one of your power outlets or a cigarette lighter are not working. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. First two fuses will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin just behind this cover. So what you want to do, just pull this cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the first fuse you want to check here, it's this 15 amp blue fuse, which is the fuse responsible for power to cigarette lighter, and the other blue fuse just under it, also 15 amp blue fuse responsible for power to the front power outlet. So in this fuse box you have two fuses, this one and this one. There is still one more fuse in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, located right here. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So what you want to do, you want to press it and lift up to unlock it. Okay, just like this. On the back side again you will have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the fuse you actually want to check here will be this 15 amp blue fuse right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the rear power outlet behind the middle console. Yeah. Okay, hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to look at the power outlets themselves or a possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.